apply the fuselage insignia, I had to cut the corners of the decals. That way the decals could properly conform to the shape of the supercharger vents. First, the larger part of the decal was applied. Once dried, the corner decal was applied onto the model. After that was done, I turned my attention towards the making of a set of custom decals, which were made in Adobe Photoshop, in this case copying and pasting some nose art, and the generation of a set of serial numbers. Once done, the serial numbers were printed off onto clear decal paper, and the nose art was printed off onto white decal paper. After plenty of drying time, thin coats of micro-scale decal film was brushed over the decal sheets. Both had 2 coats of decal film, with plenty of drying time between each coat. Once done, it gave me a nice set of decals for one of the most famed P-47 Thunderbolts called Dottie May. On May 8th of 1945, Dottie May took part in an aerial demonstration to celebrate the end of World War II in Europe. The flight of P-47 Thunderbolts flew over the Ebanzi concentration camp in Austria to raise the morale of the prisoners who were still there. While flying over Lake Traunsee, Lieutenant Moore descended too low over the lake, causing Dottie May to crash into the lake. Moore survived the crash while Dottie May sank into the lake, making Dottie May the last USAAF aircraft lost in action in the European theatre of operations during World War II. Then, on June 13, 2005, the wreck of Dottie May was raised from the lake and returned to the USA to be restored. After a lengthy restoration, Dottie May was returned to an airworthy condition, taking to the skies again on June 23, 2017. So, you can see why I went for the colours of this special P-47 for my model. The custom decals were applied onto the model in the usual way, and with the decaling done, it was a matter of applying the remaining parts. And with that, the model was done. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck with all your ongoing projects. Here it is, the completed model.